Manufacturing suffers with a bad image as dull, dirty, and dangerous work. Now, we know that's a major misconception, and today's manufacturing jobs are some of the most technologically advanced, high-value jobs on the market. In addition, the sector is suffering from a skills gap, with manufacturing employers struggling to find qualified candidates. I spoke with Sandi Bouckley, head of the SME organization, about how manufacturers can attract not only more young workers, and specifically young women, to the manufacturing sector.
There were no women whatsoever in engineering, very, very few overall industry-wide. Now General Motors is run by a woman engineer, who's actually doing rather well. Are we at a tipping point now where a young woman who's interested in engineering can really look at manufacturing and say, you know what, I don't have to be a chemical engineer. I can go ahead and I can study mechanical engineering, electrical, with an eye toward manufacturing. Are we there?
I think we could be there, and it's probably still the dark, dirty, dangerous, declining thing going on, because even though women are graduating from colleges at high percentages, women are going into grad school, they're not necessarily getting their education in the STEM fields or in physics, manufacturing engineering, mechanical engineering. And sadly enough, for whatever reason, they're choosing to go in other places. But I think people like Mary Barra are great examples, and there's a lot of other role models of women who've come up through the ranks in industry, in manufacturing engineering, and in operations. I certainly did, and I found it was a tremendously rewarding career path for me. And I think it's there for others as well. We just need to figure out how to get that communication to them and how to make it okay and encourage them. I don't think there's anything that's stopping them. I did see a report recently, actually, that said that Cornell, for the first time, has got 50-50 enrollment in engineering programs. And that's the first one I've seen. Across the country, on average, it's not certainly there. But if that's a true statistic, then I applaud them.